I'm starting this session just working on making a little more shadows on her little body. And then I'm trying to reshape the baby's arm so she doesn't look like an alien of some sort. Here I'm going in with her clothes. I'm not sure. Well, I'm trying to give it shape, but that's not, doesn't look right, does it? Should not be using black for that. And that is the shape of my daughter's forearm that I'm trying to convey. Clearly, right there, I'm just too lazy to mix the right shade of skin tone. Not right there. Well, yeah, I just left some mustard color on there. That's just dumb. And here I'm fleshing out the skin, but I should have a smaller brush. So, for the love, Kristen, why do you think you can make tiny little legs and arms with a brush that's too big? So don't be afraid to use the smaller brush when you get to the details. That's what you're supposed to do, and I was not. Now I'm working on the shape of Haley's romper pantsuit thing she's wearing. For this I am using a clay-based chalk paint, DIY paint, that is my favorite. Other than acrylics, it's what I use a lot because there's great texture in the clay. Once again, brush is too big for this work, which just means I'm definitely going to have to go back and do another step to redo this one. And the reason I'm doing that because of my ADHD that makes me impulsive and impatient. So it's kind of funny that I'm an artist because clearly those things don't go hand in hand. I'm just sketching in Kinley's face, and it looks like at least I have a tiny brush now. Yay! I'm trying to give some shape to her hair. And my daughter's eyes. I always start with the corners. And eyebrows. Now you're talking, Kristen.